Hello guys, this is Mukesh. Today I'm going to teach you about how to create a simple lyrical ripple effect inside KineMaster. Let's go like this. Now I want to explain you how to break this. The first important thing, the text effect. The text may be available inside the KineMaster like Luna inside the display, or you can download any text and import in Pixellab and bring it to the KineMaster. The next thing is the ripple effect. The ripple effect is available in the KineMaster. And the next thing is the particle. The particle may be available from any Chrome or any video, YouTube video. You can download the particle effect also. So now I want to show you how to break this or how to create like this. First click the plus button and click 9:16 ratio because it's a vertical WhatsApp status, right? Then just choose the backdrop as black color layer. So whenever you have a black color as a backdrop, you can customize your video in a great way, right? So just stretches it for the what kind of duration you want, and just choose your backdrop. Then go to media. I have my backdrop here. I have this landscape backdrop, and click the split screen and click fill the screen. And I just downloaded this backdrop in freepik.com. Okay, then just zoom it. Okay, then it is okay, good, it is so good, right? Then just change the color of it. I want to change the color because in order to highlighting the text, okay, I just go to the color filter and the basic, and I just want to choose this, so it is so black, so it's good. Then just go to the music. First the thing is music. I don't have the music, so I have the video clip. So let me extract the audio from it, where it is, I think, statuses. So here is the video, and just click the extract button, extract audio option, and just delete the video alone. You can simply do this inside KineMaster. Now I want to play. Okay, there is a back, right? Ni kannodu kannodu kannoramai. Then next there is a break, right? So inside the break, in between the break, you should not apply the text effect. Like, you should not apply the effect called a ripple. Okay, first you have to add the text. I want to add a text called kannodu kannodu kannoramai. And you might notice the text may not be looks good, so I just want to change the text effect. So go to the display, and there is an option called Luna. I love this because I think it might be suitable for my video, and it's okay, right? Then just click the text and click the 3 button and click the duplicate option, and just bring the another text to the down, exactly down, and just go to the option called rotate and mirroring. Just mirror it, so simple. Then just apply the text effect. I want to add the text effect as in animation as fade, because for this kind of things, and don't give animation so many time, and just apply the effect layer, then effect, then go to the ripple. There is a ripple effect, just apply it and just customize where you want the ripple. I just want the ripple for my text alone. So, and I just want to ripple my water waves. Click the settings and maximize the wave speed and wave strength as you want, and just play. Yeah, it works, right? And thanks for watching.